Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my 14th video. The topic is healthy body and mind. Thanks for watching my earlier 13 videos, subscribing, liking, and commenting. You spend 5 to 6 minutes with me to get valuable information. Please watch full video to get all my tips. Now we begin the topic. Our parents transmitted their diseases at birth through mucus. This makes it hard for a teen to digest food and get the vitamins and nutrition they need from the food they take. The question is, can we overcome this problem? Yes. Eat a high calorie meals and exercise. That will help you to overcome this problem. What about mental health? We need nurturing parents to have a happy childhood so that our psychological development during childhood is successful. Let's see what are the psychological development. 0 to 6, that we call it early childhood, three psychological development take place. Middle child is psychological development is during 7 to 12 years, and in adolescent is age 13 to 19. All this psychological development has to be successful to have a healthy mind. Please watch my second YouTube video, personality development with TA concept, of 14.25 minutes. It will give you idea what all concept can be applied to our daily life. If you like to study transactional analysis, that is theory of personality, join my online workshop on 21st Friday and 22nd Saturday with a leadership trainer from USA. Please send me message on my mobile 9822876170. I have studied certified course of transactional analysis from ICTA Kochi. I am a transactional analyst. Now let's study our body and mind, how it is developed from childhood. We divide development of body and mind during 0 to 19 years in 3 different areas, different parts. Now let's come to the early childhood, that is 0 to 6 years, considered to be preschool age. Children need high calorie food for their growth. 3 stages of psychological development take place. The first one is during breastfeeding stage, that is trust and faith. Second, the psychological development take place during 19 to 36 months, that is autonomy, free from control of others. Third is 3 to 6 years, that is psychological development is initiative. Children show initiative to develop their personality. Second one is middle childhood, that is considered to be during 7 to 12 years, school age. A child studying 6 hours require 4000 calorie energy, and children studying 10 hours studying require 7000 calorie. They develop 4 stages of psychological development, that is called industry during this period. Children need to do pranayam to secrete hormones. Hormones are required to overall development of the body. The third stage is adolescent, 13 to 19 years. It is considered to be high school period. Puberty take place during this period, and up to 18. After 18, they become legally an adult. Continue to do pranayam to secrete hormones. So as I mentioned, 5th stage of psychological development, that is identities take place. Identity is required to relate with people. Lack of nutrition children do not put on appropriate weight and fail to grow in height. Parent watch their children's body. I required encourage them to join gym. Similarly, they have to observe their behavior for psychological problem. If they are not corrected up to the age of 18, it may turn out to be a personality disorder. Major personality disorders found are borderline personality among females and antisocial elements among male. When I talk about antisocial, it means telling lies and breaking the rules. As we grow, we have to be careful with lifestyle diseases like type 2 diabetics, cholesterol. Now you know, smoking, poor diet, consumption of excess alcohol, lack of physical exercise lead to obesity, cardiovascular disease. A healthy person requires only 2800 calories. Please watch on calorie intake and observe the weight regularly. During 18 to 40 years, 6 stages of psychological development take place, that is intimacy with classmates, colleagues, at workplace, etc. 7 stages of psychological development take during 40 to 65 years, that is generativity. You may wonder what is this. It's a broad application to family, relationship, work and society. At 65, 8 stages of psychological development take place, that is integrity. At 55, you develop skills to begin second inning after retirement, to be in touch with people. So I conclude my topic here, my friends. If you like, please subscribe, like, share with other friends who it may be beneficial to them. Thank you.